We are the children of Enugu State, University of Science and Technology.
The Vice Chancellor, Professor Aloysius Nnabugwu Okolie, on behalf of Council, Senate, Management, Staff and students of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Esut, cordially invites the university community and the concerned public to the 38th Inaugural Lecture of Enugu State University of Science and Technology on the topic, Would you like to live a healthy life? Then keep the purifier purified. Inaugural Lecturer, Professor Umezurike Hughes, Okafor, Professor and Consultant Nephrologist. Date, Thursday, 29th August 2024. Venue, Esut College of Medicine Auditorium, Parkland, GRA, Enugu. Time, 12 noon prompt. Signed, Ambrose G. Ugu, Registrar, and Professor MVON Ezamei, Chairman, Inaugural Lecture Committee. Be there, be there, be there, be there.
For service.